Time to wind a bobbin on the Kenmore 1980. There are two spool pins on the lower back of this machine. It does support twin needle sewing. A little pre-tensioning button on the back of the lid here. And then the thread comes through the spot on the lid around a little peg here. And then the winding tensioner is back here. There's another guide here. And then winder is right here. Just has a snap out clutch on the end, so you just have to pop the hand wheel out to release the machine so that it only does bobbin winding. There we go. Regular threading of the 1980. Same spool pin, thread guide, button-shaped thread guide on the back. Then it comes over the top through on the right side of this silver divider, down under that take-up hook, and then with the take-up arm in the upper position, when you loop around in this space behind the door, it should automatically go into the take-up arm. It's going to come back down the center groove here, and then there is a thread guide. There's a pair of thread guides above the needle bar, a pair of thread guides on the needle bar, and then machine threads from front to back. The bobbin is class 15, top load drop in. And drop-in machines, simpler to just use plastic bobbins. I believe the instructions for this machine say it can use metal ones, but when in doubt, use a plastic bobbin. They're an improvement in performance most of the time. Yeah, so the 1980 has semi-electronic features, LEDs for marker lights, and the built-in cam stack, and it also takes the Kenmore C cams and has a full diagram of stitches in the lid, a buttonhole feature, and then presser foot pressure here. Stitch length, stitch width is up here on this dial, which is an interesting place, but and a reverse cam, a reverse button.